Vidya, if we may come back to what sparked this entire issue at Italy, what you said, the Slapgate incident, so to speak, the Gujarati trader was assaulted by MNS workers. We're seeing also statements coming out about not just anti-North Indians, but also anti-Gujaratis. We've seen the statements coming from political leaders accusing the Shiv Sena of bowing to the Gujaratis or bowing to the BJP. Is this likely to resonate in the people? Of course, not just the people who are at this protest site today. Is this an issue that is resonating for people across Maharashtra? Is this likely to become an issue they will vote on? Because this is ultimately identity politics versus financial politics. Because if you start attacking traders, if you start attacking migrants, where is the finance, where is the economy of Maharashtra left then?
Well, remember one thing, that the election is still is a little distant away. It's not like immediately. So what this kind of movement really does, or a protest really does, is bring in people, rake up the issue, starts the entire discussions. But remember, whether this really converts into vote bank votes or not is something that will really have to be seen. But then, because remember, MNS is the one which has really been at the forefront of slapping people or beating up North Indians. But it has never really, made its mark as a political party wherein its leaders have actually been able to become MPs and MLAs in large numbers. MNS has never been able to do that. In spite of that, this kind of politics does really turn out every election that we have seen, and that's one of the reasons why people here at this place right now, when we spoke to a lot of people, they were not just from MNS or the Shiv Sena. They are actually, general public, the Maharashtrians, the people who speak the language of Marathi. They were like very sure that what is happening is right for the Marathi people and for the Marathi language. And that's something that, across, it was even if they're not from any political party, we did see a lot of people speak about it, come out in the forefront, come out during the entire protest today. Because we asked them whether you are from which party, and a lot of people said they're not from any party, but just wanted this entire protest to go ahead because it meant a lot for them.
All right, thank you for that perspective, Vidya. More news and updates will continue. We will be keeping a very, very close eye on this rally, this protest, and what is going on in Maharashtra with the language wars escalating.